Welcome to Sigmaway's RapidMiner course series, where we will aim to help budding industry professionals and data scientists understand the various data analytics processes and show them how these processes are performed in a statistical software like RapidMiner. This module will focus on giving you an introduction into RapidMiner's user interface. Let us now go through what the module will cover. We'll cover a basic introduction into RapidMiner. We'll understand why RapidMiner is used. We'll give you a brief regarding the software specifications, and we'll help you in getting started. RapidMiner is a code-free analytics software used for data mining, data integration, text mining, and predictive analytics. It has a wonderful graphic user interface which makes it very user-friendly. The presentation showcases RapidMiner 9.3.0 and above. It is compatible with Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. Integration with extension packs such as R integration, finance and economics, series, etc. provide further regression and analysis tools. Let us now discuss some RapidMiner credentials. RapidMiner is recognized as a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Advanced Analytics Platforms. The Magic Quadrant is a series of market research tools created by the IT consulting firm Gartner, which relies on proprietary quantitative data analysis methods to demonstrate market trends such as direction, maturity, and participants. So let us discuss why RapidMiner. The human mind, being incapable of processing large amounts of raw data, understands visual or conceptual information better. We can use computers to understand and comprehend this data. Descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analysis can be performed using computers to help us understand data better. RapidMiner acts as a platform where data analytics can be performed using numerous operators. Let us now get started with the process. Please create an account with RapidMiner and download the RapidMiner Studio 9.3.0 version or above. Once you download and install RapidMiner and double-click to open the software, you will be met with a screen like this. Please click on a blank new project. This is the user interface you will meet after you click on blank project. As you can see, it is clearly divided into 6 different panels, and we will discuss each of them individually. Let's now go over the RapidMiner user interface, which is broken up into 6 distinct sections. The first section is named Operators panel, the second section is the Repository panel, the third section is the Process panel, the fourth section is the Views panel, the fifth section is the Parameters panel, and the sixth section is the Help panel. Operators panel contains all the cogs that you will use in any process you do in RapidMiner. All functions or work steps or operators available in the RapidMiner Studio are presented here in groups to be included in your current process. You can navigate within these groups in a simple manner and browse the operators provided. The repository panel is the access gateway of your data and RapidMiner process storage. The repository is used for the management and structuring of your analysis process into projects, and at the same time it acts as both a source of data as well as the associated metadata. It holds the directory information of the projects in your workspace. The process panel, it shows the individual steps within which the analysis of the process and their interconnections are created. New steps can be added to existing processes. Connections between these steps can be defined and detached. We use operators here to define a process. The Views panel. The Views panel is a work area in which a specific functionality is accessed. It consists of Design View, Results View, Turbo Prep, and Auto Model. But the design and results are 2 predefined views. A new view can be created by clicking on the New View button in a View menu. The Parameters panel. The operators used in RapidMiner require one or several parameters to be specified for correct functionality. For example, some operators import data and thus need a file location input, which will be input in the Parameters panel of the operator. The Help panel. Each time you select an operator in the Operators view or in the Process view, the Help window within the Help view shows a description of this operator. It includes a short synopsis which summarizes the function of the operator in one or few sentences. A detailed description of the functionality of the operator and a list of the parameters is given in this panel. Now let's discuss some new features which came up in RapidMiner Studio 9.3 and above. Turbo Prep. It is designed to make data presentation easier. It provides a user interface where your data will always be visible front and center. where you can make changes step by step and instantly see the results, with a wide range of supporting functions to prepare your data for model building or presentation. In the background, while you prepare your data, TurboPrep builds a RapidMiner process. You can save the process and apply it later to similar datasets, so you don't have to do the same job twice. TurboPrep helps in putting all these pieces together to eliminate worthless data, to transform the remaining data into consistent and useful formatting, and to present the results once a better understanding of the data is achieved. This is how the TurboPrep window looks in RapidMiner. We will discuss TurboPrep in further modules. Another new feature added to RapidMiner Studio in 9.3.0 and above is AutoModel. AutoModel is an extension to the RapidMiner Studio that accelerates the process of building and validating models. AutoModel addresses three large case problems: prediction, clustering, and outliers. AutoModel helps in evaluating data, providing relevant models for these solutions to any problem, and helps compare the relevant results for these models once the calculations are completed. This is how the AutoModel pane looks. We will discuss the use of AutoModel in further modules. Thank you for joining us in this module. We hope you understand a brief about the RapidMiner user interface. We will continue with learning data analytical process of text mining in the next module. We hope to see you there.